Let's see how it is. Martin's Comfort, situated in Bettelbettum, has been designed as an oasis for tourists to capture the friendly Goan atmosphere. The hotel, with its Goan architecture and state-of-the-art facilities, has antique Portuguese-style furniture and pieces of pottery strategically placed that give you a glimpse of Goa of the days of yore. The landscape around the hotel is laid out to provide an aesthetic effect. The ample parking area and security options are to make sure the guests enjoy a carefree holiday in Goa. The swimming pool faced rooms are designed with plush inviting beds and mellow lighting so guests can be ensured of well-deserved rest. Well equipped with all the modern amenities, the rooms are tastefully decorated and designed with keeping guests' utmost comfort in mind. Just walkable is the Martin's Corner, which is one of the most famous cafes in South Goa. No trip to Goa is complete without a visit to this beautiful restaurant. True to its hype, Martin's Corner is indeed a paradise of authentic Goan delicacy, offering a wide array of cuisines which are traditional as well as exotic. Majora Beach is one of the most popular and best beaches in South Goa because of its virgin white sands, palm-fringed and sun-drenched beaches. We were more than surprised to see a small portion of backwater attached to the beach, which was breathtakingly beautiful. Absolutely love this place. This is like a backwaters for the actual beach. We stopped by at the Francis Xavier's Chapel before we reached the Church of St. John the Baptist in Benaulim. This church is popular for its Goan Christian style of architecture. This church is very attractive and the view of this site is also excellent. The church features low domes, 4-storied towers and rococo. Feast of St. John is celebrated on June 24th every year. People, especially young men, wear crowns of leaves and fruits and around the area singing for gifts. The festivities include the act of young men jumping into the wells. This act commemorates the movement of the child St. John in his mother's womb before birth. Another marvel was Our Lady of Remedios Church. This is locally referred to as the Bettelbettum Church. It is very well maintained with a freshly painted facade and overlooking paddy fields. The entire area exudes calmness and tranquility. Bettelbettum Beach is a mesmerizing stretch of golden sand. It is about 1 kilometer long and offers tremendous views of sunrise and sunset. But no, the waves do not glow in the dark as mentioned in various blogs in Google. We then dressed up for dinner at a multi-cuisine casual shack on the Kolwa beach with excellent view of the sea, which was Mickey's Kolwa.
நைட்டு மட்டும்தான் இந்த வண்டி பிரச்சனை. நாளைக்கு ரீசெண்டாக கார் தான். ஹலோ கைஸ்.
What is the plan today, Mithun?
கார் எடுத்து சுற்றுறோம்.
எங்க
சுற்றிக்கிட்டே இருக்கும்.
எங்க சுத்துறோம் தெரியாது தானே.
கபோடிடம்
நடுவில் இருக்கிற பிளான். Hi all, welcome to day 5 of our Goa trip. So we will be exploring some beautiful places of South Goa today, like we started off yesterday. Now we are at Varka beach. It's one of the most less crowded beaches in South Goa, and it's considered to be really, really, really beautiful. Let's see how it is. With soft sand and an unspoiled, tranquil atmosphere, Varka offers up a beach lover's paradise. Picturesque beach known for its calm waters, wooden fishing boats and food vendors. Sal River is the third largest river in Goa, which starts in Cabo. The entire stretch of this river is scenic and has some cafeterias around for dining as well. There are also certain tour operators that take you along for kayaking as well. Set by the banks of the river Sal, bathing in the beauty of Cavalosim village, rests the pride of Goa, the pioneer establishment of the fisherman's wharf. With the pleasant and joyous Goan vibe and freshly sourced seafood, the atmosphere that surrounds the wharf is like no other. With a sweeping view of shimmery waters and modern fusion cuisine infused with Goan influences, the fisherman's wharf Goa is a portrait of riverside indulgence. We then stopped by at the Rama cliff, which is one of the best cliff beach views that you can have in South Goa. It was exciting as well as breathtaking to stand in between the beach waves, the palm trees as well as the blue sky. Right next to the cliff is the Cape Goa Resort and Restaurant, which is perched on the cliff side overlooking the ocean above a secluded cove near the village of Rama. Rama firstly connects with the legend of Ramayana. According to a belief, during their 14 years of exile, Lord Rama, Goddess Sita and Lord Lakshmana all resided here. It is how the fort got its name, but then the local Sunda rulers built the fort who used to command from here. After the arrival of Portuguese in Goa, they conquered it by winning over the local kings. They also created a church dedicated to Saint Anthony within the fort premises. Something you don't want to miss is the backside sea view, which is called the Pebble Beach. You will see stone stairs which go to the rocky shore where waves are lashing the rocks. It has a nice view with breeze and clean water. We are going to Kola Beach. The roads are really bad. But Mithun is being very kind and taking us to Kola Beach by taking all the risky measures.
Risky measures.
Mithun,
Yes, tell me.
through this vlog, I would like to thank you for taking all your best friends to Kola Beach.
Sure, no problem.
இப்போ நீ வந்து unparliamentary words சொன்னதுனால இந்த வீடியோ will be deleted.
Thank you. நம்ம ஏதாவது ஒரு ட்ரிப் வந்தாலே இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு ஜுமாஞ்சி கண்டிப்பா கடந்து போகணும்ன்ற ஒரு கம்பல்ஷன் இருக்கு போல இருக்கு.
It was not easy to reach Kola Beach. We had to veer into an unpaved off-road with bumpy rock formations that stick out along with the path. Mithun's driving skills. Amma. When the road seemed to get more riskier for the car, we then decided to trek the rest of the distance. Kola Beach offers fine golden sand beaches dotted with large volcanic boulders and a backdrop of tall forested hills. The beach itself offers a relaxed atmosphere and is generally swimmable. What makes this beach special is the point called the Blue Lagoon or Emerald Lagoon. After that tiring day, we had to make it to Tropica, which is one of the best night places in South Goa. Here we celebrated as Shri and I welcomed our second wedding anniversary. Shruti and Mithun surprised us with brownies, cakes and much more.
Thank you.
Hope you enjoyed this video. There's a lot more we covered in South Goa which is coming up in the next episodes. So stay tuned.